Hello guys, welcome to Kashmir X, where friends, home and adventure awaits. Today we are gonna show you how to book cab service in Kashmir in just 4 simple steps. To book a taxi, you have two convenient options, by call or by website. Now let's break down the process for you. Step number 1. You can call or WhatsApp on +91 8082 109970 or visit kashmirx.com. Step number 2. Provide us with your pickup and drop off details. Step number 3. Choose your preferred taxi type. Select the date and time that suits your travel plans. Step number 4. Confirm your booking and voila. And there you have it. Quick and easy taxi booking in the breathtaking region of Kashmir. If you need cab service in Kashmir, get 25% off. Book with Kashmir X now. If you need more travel tips like this, like, comment,